determine the lighting requirements for an aluminum boat fabrication shop, we need to perform a series of calculations. Firstly, we need to know the room dimensions, which are 36 feet by 36 feet with a 14-foot ceiling height. The plan is to use 8-foot high output fluorescent fixtures. We are considering 5 rows of lights with 4 fixtures per row, end to end. Now, let's break down the steps to calculate the lighting layout. Step 1 involves determining the area of the room. The area is calculated by multiplying the length by the width. In this case, it's 36 feet times 36 feet, which equals 1296 square feet. Step 2 requires calculating the required lumen output. The recommended illuminance for precision metalworking typically falls between 100 and 150 foot candles. For this calculation, we will use a target illuminance of 125 foot candles. To find the required lumen output, we multiply the area by the illuminance. So 1296 square feet times 125 foot candles gives us a required lumen output of 162,000 lumens. Step 3 involves calculating the number of fixtures needed. We'll assume that each high output fluorescent fixture provides approximately 10,000 lumens. To find the number of fixtures, we divide the required lumen output by the lumens per fixture. Thus, 162,000 lumens divided by 10,000 lumens per fixture equals 16.2 fixtures. Since we can't have a fraction of a fixture, we'll round up to the nearest whole number if necessary, or consider slightly adjusting the layout to optimize the light distribution. Step 4 is to determine the fixture layout. We plan to have 5 rows of fixtures. To find the number of fixtures per row, we divide the total number of fixtures by the number of rows. So, 16.2 fixtures divided by 5 rows equals 3.24 fixtures per row. Again, we can't have a fraction of a fixture. So, we'll aim for an arrangement that provides close to this average. In this specific layout, we are using 5 rows of 4 high output fluorescent fixtures, each mounted at a height of 14 feet. This arrangement will provide approximately 162,000 lumens, which should be sufficient for precision metalworking tasks and laser cutting or fabricating operations. Keep in mind this calculation is an approximation. Actual lighting requirements may vary depending on the specific activities performed in the shop. It is always recommended to consult with a professional lighting designer for an accurate assessment and to ensure compliance with applicable building codes.